Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add Power BI to SharePoint step by step. I'll be doing this on the web using Power BI Service and SharePoint Online. First, open your published report in the Power BI Service. You can access this at app.powerbi.com. Once your report loads and displays, you're ready for the next step. Now, select the File menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down, select Embed Report, then select SharePoint Online. A dialog box will appear showing your report URL. If you don't see this option, check with your Power BI administrator. This is a pro feature and won't appear for free accounts. Copy the report URL from the dialog box. You'll see a copy button next to the URL text field. Once it's copied to your clipboard, you can close this dialog. Next, navigate to the SharePoint page where you want to add the report. Once you're on the page, select the Edit button to enter edit mode. You'll see options to add content appear on the page. Select the plus button to add a new web part. This button typically appears when you hover over sections of the page. The web part selection panel will open. In the web part picker, find the data analysis section and select the Power BI web part. The Power BI web part configuration panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Select Add Report, then paste the report URL you copied earlier into the Power BI report link field. The report will load automatically once you paste the URL. If your report has multiple pages, select the page name from the dropdown to choose which page displays by default. You can adjust the display settings if needed, toggle options like Show Navigation Pane or Show Filter Pane, depending on how you want viewers to interact with the report. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 or 4:3. The report preview updates as you change these settings. When you're happy with how it looks, select Publish in the top right corner. The page will exit edit mode, and your embedded report is now live. If you're updating an existing page, you'll see Republish instead. Two important things to keep in mind. Embedding the report in SharePoint doesn't automatically give users permission to view it. You need to grant access in Power BI separately. Make sure users have permissions both in SharePoint to see the page and in Power BI to view the report content. The easiest way is to add them as members of the workspace in Power BI Service. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you